This is video 1 of 5 video series. In this video, we will dive into the basics of Power BI Desktop. Get ready to unleash the power of data visualization and analysis. Let's get started. Before we begin, let's understand what Power BI Desktop is. Power BI Desktop is a powerful business intelligence tool developed by Microsoft. It allows you to connect to multiple data sources, transform raw data into meaningful insights, and create interactive reports and dashboards. To get started, download and install Power BI Desktop from the official Microsoft website or from Microsoft Store. Let's get it from Microsoft Store. Open Microsoft Store on your Windows and type Power BI on the search box. As you type Power BI in search box, you will see Power BI Desktop listed as options. Select that option and then Power BI Desktop application page will appear with Install button. Click on Install button and it will start downloading. Download time for the application will depend on your internet speed. Once installed, you will see Open button. Click on Open button and it will start loading Power BI Desktop app. You will see Power BI Desktop logo on the screen and Power BI Desktop will open. Once opened, you will be greeted with Startup screen which you can close. There you go, you will see blank canvas with Add data to your report prompt. You are now ready for your data analysis journey. Let's import some data into Power BI Desktop. Click on Get Data to choose your data source. You can import data from various sources like Excel, SQL databases, or even cloud services. For this example, we'll import Excel workbook. This file contains sales and products data in different worksheets. We need to load data from both worksheets. Click on Load. Now that we have imported our data into Power BI Desktop, it's time to perform data transformations. Data transformations allow us to clean, filter, and reshape our data to suit our analysis needs. Let's dive into data transformations. As you can see, our imported data is displayed on the Power BI Desktop canvas. We have the sales table with columns like order ID, order date, product ID, quantity, and revenue. Additionally, we have the products table with columns product ID, product name, and category. To start the data transformation process, click on the Transform Data option located under the Home tab. This will open the Power Query Editor, where we can apply various data transformations. In the Power Query Editor, you'll notice that the sales and product tables are displayed as queries on the left-hand side. Each query represents a step in our data transformation process. Let's begin by cleaning our data. In the sales table, we notice that the quantity column contains some values as 0 but revenue is greater than 0, which is not possible. We need to replace 0 with some positive number, let's say 10. To replace 0 with 10 from the quantity column, we can use the Replace Values option in the Transform tab. We specify 0 as the value to replace and 10 as value for replace with field and click OK button. Great! Our quantity column now have values greater than 0. Next, we want data in the table where quantity is greater than or equal to 10 and revenue is greater than or equal to 100. To apply this condition on our data, we can use the Number Filter option by clicking down arrow button besides quantity column. Choose Greater than or equal to option, select Advanced option. Then, set the condition for quantity column as is greater than or equal to 10 and for revenue column as is greater than or equal to 100, and click OK. Perfect. Now we have data where quantity is greater than or equal to 10 and revenue is greater than or equal to 100. All these steps are recorded under Applied Steps section on right side. You can click on Delete option for any step to revert the changes. If you choose to delete any step out of sequence, that may result in data corruption. So be careful while deleting out of sequence steps. With this note, our data cleaning process is complete. Next, let's reshape our data to combine the sales and product tables. To combine the sales and product tables, we'll perform a merge operation based on the product ID column. Click Merge Queries option under Home tab and select Merge Queries as New option. Then select Sales as Table 1 and Products as Table 2. Make sure to select Product ID as matching column. Click on OK button. This will create a new table, named as Merge 1, with relevant information from both tables. Change name as Revenue. After merging, our new table contains columns from both Sales and Product tables, providing us with a unified dataset. With the data transformations complete, we can now close the Power Query Editor and apply the changes to our Power BI desktop canvas. You should see Revenue table on the canvas in Data View. And there you have it. We've performed data transformations to clean, filter, and reshape our data. Our Power BI desktop canvas now contains the transformed data, ready for creating visualizations. Now that we have transformed our data, it's time to visualize it. Visualizations are the key to understanding data patterns and trends. Power BI Desktop offers a wide range of visualization options to choose from. Let's create our first visualization. As you can see, we have our transformed data displayed on the Power BI Desktop canvas. Let's create a bar chart to visualize the sales revenue by product category. To create a visualization, click on the Visualizations pane located on the right-hand side of the Power BI Desktop window. In the Visualizations pane, you'll see various visualization types. For this example, we'll choose the Clustered Column Chart option, which is a type of bar chart. Now, let's build the bar chart. Drag and drop the Category column from the Fields pane to the X-axis field. Next, drag the Revenue column to the Y-axis field. Voila! We have our bar chart. To make the visualization more appealing, we can format it. Click on the Format option in the Visualizations pane to access various formatting settings. Here, we can change the chart title, adjust the colors, and modify the axis labels. Formatting options in Power BI Desktop allow us to customize the visualizations to match our preferences and ensure clarity. You can also add a title to the chart by clicking on the Title option and entering a descriptive title for the visualization. Let's turn on the data labels and position them to inside end. Besides bar charts, Power BI Desktop offers many other visualization types, such as line charts, pie charts, maps, and more. You can explore different visualization options to find the most suitable representation for your data. Let's add pie chart to display quantity by category. Drag and drop the Category column from the Fields pane to the Legend field. Next, drag the Quantity column to the Values field. Great! We have our pie chart. Let's update title and enter descriptive title for pie chart. Now let's update bar colors in bar chart to match with colors in the pie chart. Select bar chart and click on Format option. Expand Columns option under Visual section and turn on Show All option, then select colors for each category. There you go. This looks great. Feel free to add more visualizations to your canvas. You can create multiple charts and visuals, and they will interact with each other dynamically as you explore your data. By interacting with the visualizations, you can filter the data and gain deeper insights. Click on a bar to see the revenue for a specific product category or use slicers to filter data dynamically. To add slicers, go to the Visualizations pane and select the Slicer option. Choose the column you want to use as a slicer, and it will appear on the canvas. Now, you can use the slicer to filter the data in real time and observe how the visualizations respond to the selected data subsets. Once you are satisfied with your visualizations, remember to save your report to preserve all your hard work. And there you have it. We've created our first visualization and explored some formatting options. Power BI Desktop makes it easy to turn data into meaningful insights through interactive and visually appealing visualizations. To make your visualizations visually appealing, you can format and customize them. Power BI Desktop provides options to change colors, fonts, and layouts. Let's customize our visualizations to match our preferences. As you can see, we have our visualizations displayed on the Power BI Desktop canvas. Before we start formatting, let's take a moment to review our visualizations and identify any areas that need improvement or customization. If you notice any elements that need adjustment, now is the perfect time to make changes. Formatting allows you to customize colors, fonts, labels, and other visual elements to enhance the overall look and feel of your report. Let's start by selecting a visualization that we want to format. Click on the visualization to select it, and you'll see that format options appear on the right-hand side of the Power BI desktop window. In the Format Options pane, you'll find various formatting settings specific to the selected visualization. These settings allow you to modify colors, data labels, axes, and more. To begin, let's format the title of the visualization. Click on the Title option, increase font size to 24 and select Bold option. Also, let's align it to center. You can also change the background of the visualization. Expand Effects section and choose black as background color. Also, set transparency to 75%. Next, let's customize the data labels by changing their font size. Go to Data Labels under Visual section and change font size to 12 by expanding Values option. You can select new colors for each data series or data category to make your visualization more visually appealing and easier to interpret. The axes of your visualization can also be customized. Click on the axis options to adjust their appearance, formatting, and scale. To improve clarity, you can also adjust title of x-axis and y-axis. Click on the x-axis option and change title as Product Category. Similarly, for y-axis, let's change it to Revenue. Once you're satisfied with the formatting changes, make sure to save your report to preserve all your customizations. And there you have it. You've learned how to format and customize your visualizations in Power BI Desktop. The possibilities are endless, so feel free to experiment and create stunning visualizations that effectively convey your data insights. Congratulations! You've learned the basics of Power BI Desktop. We hope you found it informative and enjoyable. Remember, your journey with Power BI is just beginning. Keep exploring, keep learning, and keep unleashing the power of your data. In the next video, we'll dive deeper into data modeling and relationships. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe our channel No Nuggets. See you in the next video.